Hello everyone, this is Ofeba about the profitable investors. So I want to quickly teach you how to register your DERIV account so I can make consistent cash flow in United States dollars in Nigeria. So the first thing you need to do is to select and click the link above bit.ly/ Ofebaba. Okay, so you can also contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp through the contact details. So after you do that, be able to sign up. You include your email or you sign up through your Google account or your Facebook account, and that will be able to verify on from your email address. Okay, and after that, they take you the app. Okay, it should take you to the app automatically or the website. Okay, and when it does that, you'll be able to see the D trader, which is actually a drop down menu. And if you click on give you three options. Please select the second option, which is DMT5. All right. When you select the DMT5, create a real account, create a DERIV account. Okay. And the next thing you need to do is to click on add real account. After you do that, you'll be able to select your currency. So you'll be able to select your fiat currency, and I would strongly suggest you do that in United States dollars. And if you do that, you click on next, you'll be able to select I'm not a PEP, have read terms and condition, and click on add an account. Okay, that will be successful, and you go to continue to DMT. When you do that, the next thing you need to do, you should see a screen like this, which is your real account. Now, this synthetic account, which you can see hard real account, is the account through which you'll be able to place trade live. Okay, so you click add real account. After you do that, you'll be able to add real account, and that will be successful. Okay, so you can just click on maybe later, and after you do that, you'll be able to see your details. Okay, the account login number, the login number which you use to sign up or to sign him into MT5, MT MetaTrader 5 to place your trades, and the password also is here. All right. So if you check your account, you'll be able to see two accounts. You'll be able to see the real account, which is principally the DERIV account you first created. Now, this DERIV account, which starts from CR1 blah blah blah, is actually your main account. Okay, and this account reflects your main account through which deposit come in. Okay, you can wish to deposit through payment exchangers. Okay, you can contact me for that. Also, you can deposit through your Visa card. Please do not deposit through your MasterCard, please. Okay, if you deposit through your Visa card, you'll be able to get it at the best Nigerian rate. For example, if you use a Zenith Bank MasterCard, at the time of this recording, a dollar costs about 398 to 398 naira to a dollar. So if you deposit using that, you'll be able to get the equivalent when you want to withdraw also. You can also deposit through an e-wallet. All right, you can, but the best way to deposit in terms of fast exchange rate, I mean in terms of speed, is the payment exchanger. All right, you'll be able to deposit between 430, 440, and you'll be able to withdraw at the rate of 400. Okay, all right, after I do that, you're good to go. Now, if you notice, you see your synthetic account, and which starts from one blah blah blah. That is the one which you use to log in from your MetaTrader 5. So after that, add you can transfer funds from your main account, which is domiciled in USD, CR, blah blah blah. You can transfer the amount you want to use to trade. You can transfer it to your synthetic. So when you make money Okay, for example, let's say you started with $20 or $50 or even $100, and you make $150, you can transfer part or whole of them into your CR account, which you can withdraw immediately. Okay, that you are good to go, and that will be all for now. So I hope you guys have gained something. So if you still have any question or if you still have any complaints, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'll be very willing to assist. Thank you so much. I remain the profitable investor of Ebaba.